everybody. Before we finish with our last couple of songs and our last group here, I just wanted to say a couple really quick things. First of all, thank you so much, parents, family members, for coming here and joining us today for our concert. It's so fun to be able to have a full room when the students perform. So thank you so much for joining us today. I would also like to thank all of the teachers. They have worked really hard to help me with scheduling opportunities for the students to practice and just helping the students know where to go and really cheering them on so that they could have a good performance today. And I really appreciate all of their help in making this happen. So thank you very much, teachers. Can we give them a hand? And last thing I want to say is thank you to all of our students, because they have worked very hard to put all of this together, working with me. But I also really appreciate that today they have been such great audience members for all the groups that have performed so far. And they've just been so respectful, and I can see them just really enjoying the music and showing respect to all of their classmates, and that's just so great to see. So thank you, students, for being great audience members and doing such a great job today. So now, to finish off as our grand finale for our concert today, we have both of our kindergarten classes and both of our first grade classes. And we have a couple more songs to do for you. The first one we're gonna do is Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Okay, and our final song for our concert today is Mr. Sun. At the very end here, we are going to dismiss our students back to their classrooms with their teachers. We're going to let our kindergarten and first grade students go back to class first, and then we will dismiss the rest of our students. So once again, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon, and here is Mr. Sun.
Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind
for all